Hey guys, this video is sponsored by Omaze in support of Team Rubicon. They are a veteran-led disaster response organization.
I have the best faces in the automotive filming game.
Top notch. The Water Cup Challenge at Courageous Men's Group. However, we do have a familiar face right here, and that is Emilio.
It's my first time.
Or Rodrigo.
Emilio. AKA.
We're going to go ahead and I'm going to drive like a complete jerk and drift, and whoever has the most water at the end wins.
What do we win?
I was thinking about 20 bucks, but I was really, how about for fun?
All right, fun's fine, guys. Fun's fine.
Is that regular water or sparkling water?
It's ice cold water.
Ice cold.
It's actually really cold. You can drink it
Really
if you
cold
haven't
water. We got Avi, we got Carlos, and we got Ryan. Ryan has actually done this once before.
It's a vet.
How did you do? You did like second or something?
I was like second or third, I think more third, but there is a little strategy, a little bit more in the rear, but it's a good time either way.
All right, so you guys are gonna be like sardines in the back. You got riding 3 deep in the back. You got Uncle Sam, 1,000 wheel horsepower. I haven't driven it on this new tires that I just got from Minuto, but I'm super pumped. It's been a little while. Let's go make this happen. Go ahead and start. Get strapped in.
How full are we getting?
Hold on.
How full are we
Let's
getting?
get in and get strapped in, and I'll pour it in.
Turn on.
All the way to the top.
Emilio forgot his cup.
Make sure you
already
fill
filled
it
it up too. Here, make sure you hold it. Oh, oh man, it's cold. Sorry, bud. All right, hold on.
Straight
Hold on.
underwear, guys.
You gotta be one with the car. You gotta be one with the horsepower. Like a gyro.
Gyro, dude.
Look at Ryan with that helmet, dude.
Just give me some tips, man. Don't tell me.
Yeah, hold it close to you.
And if it spills, just spill it to the driver.
That's against the rules. That's against the rules.
Has to be in.
You get disqualified if you do that. The cooler gets stuffed on you.
That's against the rules.
One bottle, okay.
All 16 ounces. Holy crap.
Rambunctious Ryan, here you go.
Oh, this is gonna be great! already spilled. We haven't even started yet.
It's the bumps in the road, dude.
Hey, don't throw your water on me, man. Cheers, guys. Cheers.
You guys have the opportunity to win a 1500 Dodge TRX and $20,000. You guys might have heard about this thing. It is a 6.2 liter, 702 horsepower, 650 pound-feet of torque, Hellcat engined truck. Goes 0 to 60 in 3.7 seconds. But it's not just that, it's got 35-inch tall tires, and it can pretty much go just about wherever. Now this thing seats 5, and it is in a very sweet color right here. It is diamond black crystal. The truck has a carbon fiber package and 19-speaker Harman Kardon sound system. Has a bed-mounted tire carrier, Bilstein coilover suspension, 18-inch beadlock capable wheels, and a 12-inch infotainment system. With the TRX being one of the hottest and most powerful trucks out, it definitely has my attention. But what would you do with $20,000? Your donation can help Team Rubicon's work aiding local and state officials and other local partner organizations. Team Rubicon is a veteran-led disaster response organization that mobilizes veterans, first responders, and civilian volunteers to help communities before, during, and after disasters and humanitarian crises. In support of COVID-19 relief, they've activated the full team across the country. For your chance to win a Dodge 1500 TRX with a Hellcat motor and to support a great cause, use our custom link right here.
Guys, here we go!
Yeah, get it.
That's cold, boy!
Doing pretty good.
I got too much water in my cup.
Still doing okay?
Yeah, we're good.
All right.
There's water in the cup.
Having some methanol problems there. All right, let's check out how everybody's doing here.
I'm pretty sure I won.
Cheers.
I'm a professional already. Would you like a drink?
All right, so check everybody's cup real quick here.
Who's up? Who's up right now?
Alright, so Emilio is about 70% full. Sorry, you're less than that. You're less than that. Dude, Emilio is.
I told you I'm a professional, dude.
Dude, professional passenger. Right here. Professional passenger.
Put me in the trunk.
There you go, baby.
All right, guys, you guys did a great job.
That was actually fun, dude. I was drifting with my drink. I was like, oh! Hey, there was times that my cup was all the way like this way. Just going against gravity, man. That was a lot of fun, man.
Woo! Good job there, buddy.
I was getting the hang of it, dude.
She's still full, dude.
Good job, man. Good job. Right.
Not too bad.
Oh, dude,
That was
good
about
job.
average from the last
Oh,
time.
yeah. Not gonna make it there, buddy. I just drank a little bit. I didn't.
All right, so what'd you think, man?
That was awesome.
She's a big girl, but she moves all right.
Never done that before. That was an amazing experience.
Awesome, man.
I'm not sure if you're supposed to drift with that much torque. This is not bad hair day. That's bad hair from that torque. Holy crap.
All the way to the top. Oh, he looks like he actually got away with a little bit less than the average yeah right now here.
Hey, I just did it. There's no secret.
So I think up front there's an advantage. Oh, you're gonna get so soaked. It's gonna be great.
It's just so exciting. Sometimes you squeeze the freaking cup.
All right, so we ran out of methanol with Uncle Sam, which is a major problem. Cannot make any power at the moment. We're trying to get some methanol. We got 15 minutes left. We're gonna go ahead and do this.
Courageous. Oh my gosh, come on.
This engine might blow up, and if it blows up, it blows up.
Yeah, it'll be fun.
All right, you guys about ready?
Ready as we can be.
I got more wet than you did. How you guys doing?
Let's look at water. You got about half. He's got the other half.
you have that much? So have you guys ever been drifting before?
Never, never.
So what do you think so far?
I love it. Kind of blown away.
All right, man. So what do you say? You were a little worried about dying on the way in, so.
Yeah, my life flashed before my eyes a couple times, but
Yeah, I'd say you got about like 30 or 40% here. Ooh, all right. So let's see where the rest of them are at here. All right, so let's see what you got there, bud. Oh, you are really close to him. Let's see what he's got.
Hold on to it. Go hard.
Oh yeah, you're the winner. You're the winner.
I'll take it. Wow.
Awesome, man. Well, thank you guys so much for coming and doing it, man.
Of course, I'll
That was awesome, dude. That was awesome, bro. Dude. Man. Dude.
Oh, she's.
We did this, Joseph. Dude.
What? Right here.
That was awesome, dude. Stinking believable.
It's a weird feeling, isn't it?
Oh my goodness.
Oh man, this thing feels like it does not sound good. A little clattery.
It's life-changing. It's an experience that you have to go to. Oh my gosh. I mean, you gotta go. That's all I have to say.
Awesome.
You just have to go.
I'm glad we were able to make it happen, brother.
Thank you so much.
Cool.
What's up, bro? Awesome experience, man. Once in a lifetime. Loved it. Thank God for pulling me through it. I felt like I survived. I need one of them shirts. I survived Fasterproms. Awesome experience.
Flattering a little bit here. We're gonna have to give this a little cool down there.